Welcome to QLC online video tutorials. We will see how to map your different office location in FieldSense which will be located across the country or world. Let's see. In FieldSense, the person who has admin rights can import or add office location. Log in on the web portal, that is web.fieldsense.in with admin's user ID and password. And when you come to the panel FieldSense, then switch to the admin panel. And under admin panel, come to the section master data. Under master data, you will find this option office location. Go to the office location where you will see the default office location that you have saved while signing up in a FieldSense. Suppose your field personnel are working in a different location and each location have their local offices. So now you can add your local office's address and map field personnel with their respective offices. Let's have a look how to proceed. First of all, you need to add office location. So on the same section, you will find the option add office location button. If you click on it, you will get this section where you need to add all the required details like office location. So office location is a caption, and after that the proper address of your office location, city, code, state, country you need to select and save the details, and you will get the notification as well. It will your location is saved and you will find your office location is saved successfully. Suppose due to any reason if you want to delete any office location, then the delete icon is available, you can delete it, or due any kind of changes if you want, you can do by clicking on this edit option. If you, even if you want to inactive any office location, you can edit and inactive it. And suppose your list of your office location are long across the country, your or across the world your office location are located. So if the list is very long, then we have another option for adding the office location is import office location. So in this option, you need to simply click on this button, import office location, and need to download the sample file by clicking here. And when you open the sample file, you will find there is a one entry is there for your understanding. And as per the column, you need to insert all your data, all the list of your office. You need to insert it here, and after that, need to come to the panel. And on the panel, after clicking on import office location, go to the click on the select file, select your the file where you have saved it. It will redirect you to your local directories, and when you select the file, it will get uploaded like this, and then need to click on start. When you clicking on start, your location, all the location will get uploaded, and you will get the notification as well. Office location created success. You can see all your office location are saved. All right. Now we will see how these locations that you have created you can map to your users. So to do that, you need to come to the user section, and under user, select the user for whom you would like to map it, edit the user, and there is a section office location. When you click here, you will see the drop down list, and you can see the list all that you have created. Select the office location which you would like to update and save this detail. And the benefit of mapping office location of the user is under report, under the report section, what you will see, especially under attendance section, if somebody is doing punch in punch out from their office location, then you will see this caption, their office location, so you can easily identify this user has punch in punch out from the office location. And there's another option under the report section only, productivity report. When you go to the productivity report section and select your users for particular date range, then you will see under time spent, that section, there is a subsection called office. So you can see that there is a cumulative hours that your user has spent for selected rate range for these users. For any individual user you would like to check for each day, then simply expand it and check for that user, the number of hours that user has spent on that particular day. All right. And on the dashboard also you will see some details related to in office, like under attendance section. Under attendance section you will see total number of user who has punched in. Out of that, how many are in the office, so you will get such detail on dashboard. And there is a section my team where you will get the filter, and under filter there is an option in office. So if the user are mapped to their respective offices, then the you will get the shortlisted detail of your user who are in the office. And uh, under my team section on timeline you will see these caption like in office, if user are doing punching from their office location, or within a working day if they are spending their time in office, then you will see this caption called in office. And you will see along with that total number of hour that they have spent during that particular hour. And on top you will see the cumulative hour that they have spent on this particular day. That's all for the video. Thanks for your valuable time. For any further assistance or regarding any suggestion, you can contact us on support@qlc.in. Thanks for watching.